All right, let's talk Java 8. We're going to break down the features that completely changed how we write Java code.
So we'll see why Java had to evolve, then get into lambdas, functional interfaces, and finally Java streams. Just look at the difference. Before, you had all these lines of code. Now, a single, clean statement. So why the change? It was all about cutting the boilerplate and bringing in some slick functional programming features. Okay, so the core of all this, the lambda expression, it's really just a function with no name.
And check this out. You can see how a regular method just gets boiled down into a simple lambda.
Now, lambdas need a place to live. That's where functional interfaces come in. They're the target for them.
First up is the predicate. Its only job is to test something and give you back yes or no.
So right here, we're making a predicate. This one just checks if a number is even. Simple, right? Okay, next is the function. Think of this as your transformation tool. It takes something in and returns something new.
Like this one. It just takes a number and, well, doubles it. Turns one integer into another.
Then you've got the consumer. It takes some data, does something with it, but gives nothing back. It consumes it.
Printing is a classic example. This consumer grabs a string and just prints it out. That's its whole job. And last, this applier. It's kind of the opposite of a consumer. It just gives you something out of thin air.
Yeah, think of it like a little factory. You ask for something and boom, it supplies hello world. Every time.
All right, with all those tools, we can finally talk about streams. It's like a powerful assembly line for your data.
And every stream has 3 parts: a source, some steps in the middle, and a final step that gives a result. But here's the cool part. These middle steps are lazy. Nothing happens until you ask for the final answer.
Okay, let's walk through one. Step 1, you take your collection and turn it into a stream. That's your source.
Next, you add a step. Here, we're using a predicate to filter out everything but the even numbers.
And you can keep chaining them. Now we use a function to take each of those even numbers and square it. And here's the final step, the terminal operation. We collect it all into a list, and now everything runs.
So what's the big deal? Your code is suddenly way more readable, shorter, and just a lot more powerful. See, it's not just new syntax. It's a totally new way to think about your data. That's our explainer.